Hi everyone, Cody Tesla with MarineMax, Cross Lake, and Nisswa, and I'm going to walk you guys through our 2026 230 Sunsation. This has got a 200 horsepower Mercury motor on the back of it, and the new sapphire blue color. Show you a couple great features on this boat. Things that I love. The cup holders being deeper. You can put your big Yetis in here, bringing them in and out, having space. Also, the clear door in the front as you're back at the driver's helm. You can see through as you're picking people up on the docks. And then at the helm here, raised up, giving you good visibility. Couple things I love: all new wet sound stereo, giving you great music out on the water. This storage compartment, very convenient for the driver. This boat's rated for 15 people. We've got a removable table. Something we did is we offset it to the side, so it's really easy to walk through here. Nice transom area. This has got the ricochet ladder, which will automatically pop back up if you leave it down. So you go over 3 miles an hour and this flips right back up. No more leaving that down. Thanks for checking it out.